It was just a progression. I wanted him to be exposed to a more diverse group. We started with the after-school program that's funded by the United Way. My son was very reserved, very shy. He's an only child. So being a part of these programs have just brought something wonderful out of my son. And the counselors just kind of broke him out of his shell. It was the smartest decision I've made, I think, as a parent. Through the programs of United Way, I'm able to be at peace that William's in a productive environment, a happy environment, a nurturing environment. Words can't express how they make me feel as a parent, as part of the community. Since it's just he and I and my family, I said it takes a village to raise a son, and they've helped me with that. They're part of our family, and we're part of their family.
United Way of Greater Houston is all about building a stronger community for us all. We touch one of every 2 lives in our community. The more it is possible for you to give, the more it is possible for United Way to turn hopes and dreams into possibilities. Please give generously. The possibilities are countless.